Welcome to the world of numbers. Today, we're going to count from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 Great job! We've counted from 1 to 20. Thanks for joining us in this counting adventure.